Hello, Dr. Mendenall here. This morning I'd like to do the introduction to Chapter 8. It starts with this page here. And before we get started though, I would like you to see that over here are the standards that we're going over. And that's the focus, is what we're trying to get students to understand. And here is the overarching idea that we're doing measurement and data. So this is what we're trying to get to. Okay, comparing things, differences, and similarities. So, over here, for number 1, I have my page right here. It says, circle the object that is different for both 1 and 2. So we compare all of them, and we're going to circle this one because it's different. And then we will do that with number 2. And then 3 and 4 say, circle the object that is longer. That's number 3. And number 4, circle the animal that you can hold in your hand. Okay, on to the next part. This is just a vocabulary review before we start the next ones. They need to trace bigger, smaller. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to help your parent teacher by finding something that is bigger and something that is smaller. Okay, say this is bigger, this is smaller. Okay, so this is bigger than this. All right, so for the next 2 pages, I cut them out. And this way I can look at them during the lesson, but you can leave it together as one page. Not only does it have a picture to identify what we're talking about, like capacity here, but it also has a place for them to write the word or trace it on the back. So I want them to practice writing out these words. These are all words that we use in math when we're talking about weight and measurement. Okay, one more part to this. We have this great little foldable right here. It's right here on page 487, which is not marked. Okay, so as you students know, you cut off the top, right? And we only cut where we have orange dashed lines, and then we fold where we have the green lines. So I'm going to fold this one in here. Keep folding. Got another one to go. Right. So when I'm done folding, I have this great little book here. Well, book of sorts. And it has different words on the front, like the first ones say longer, shorter. Okay, longer, shorter. And then when I open it, I have 2 things I can compare, which one is longer and which one is shorter. Shorter and taller. So now we're doing height. There's for height, right? This one is taller. Okay. And then I have heavier, lighter. Which one weighs more and which one weighs less. And then I have my own I can put on the bottom if I want to. So just a nice way to introduce measurement. I'll see you soon for lesson 1 of chapter 8.